We're in Venice Beach. Every first Friday of the month, this little street turns into kind of festival. Used to be little musicians and artists. They would rent a porch like this from some business and display their arts, talk to people. But now it turns into Roach coach, which is another word for lunch truck. Madness. Looks like this city never saw the food. People just line to get food from that filthy truck. Begins here. Little bit congested, especially sidewalks. You see this shipping container turned into a restaurant on a truck. Little traditional lunch trucks like this too. They have like electric generators blowing smoke in your face, and you sit and wait for your stand and wait for your little food on plastic or paper plate. There are a lot of interesting stores, basically empty stores. You don't know what they sell. Sometimes they have one pair of shoes and 3 t-shirts, and that's it. Or little bottles or something. Very trendy. This neighborhood is occupied by tech companies. People make a lot of money. See? Can't tell what they sell. That pizza by slice, it's traditional Venice pizza. It has salad pizza. So they take cheese pizza and put cold salad on it, like leaves, avocado slices. That's called pizza salad. Lots of young, attractive people. They're all skinny here. What's this? Salt and straw? Ice cream. Smells like vanilla usually. And those lunch trucks have interesting names. This one, Food Network. Interesting. And that's how you enjoy your Venice Beach experience, festival experience. You're not even sitting on the curb, you just sit on a traffic lane. And you put this on your Instagram. So you did it in first Friday of the month. Grilled cheese truck. Follow us on Twitter. Korean something. German yum truck. Can't skip this Friday. Feeding frenzy. In the end of this block, I'll turn around and we check the other side. Not to miss anything. Mexican chicken kitchen. Sushi. Maybe I'll turn around here, take advantage of this gap. There are some legit restaurants. Nobody wants them. It's not sushi, it's kushi, whatever that means. Churros, $5, everybody can afford it. Belly. Burgers, the fix. Grapes. Snook, Thai kitchen. Let's study the menu. Mac and cheese. Bacon mac. Boni macaroni. Cream Kong. What about this shipping container? Okay, this is your Venice Beach experience. I should have started defroster. A little bit steamy here. Steamy windshield. Alright. Dashcam tour here. See you in the next video tour.